Hello guys, today is my first video, and today we're going to be using two guns to find out which one is the best. And well, tomorrow one of my friends will be coming over, which is a special guest. One. And now for the guns. First off, there's the NERF Sling Fire. Really good. It's a sling fire right there. Well, pretty good gun. That's how you cock it. You cock it all the way to there, pull it back. Really good. It's a zombie strike gun. It has instructions on it. Right there, and has a zombie strike signal, and really good gun. Okay, no, I don't put you. Sorry about that. My cat is a little crazy. Next, we have the NERF Alpha. Good shotgun. Unlock. Lock. Really good. Oh. Put in the comments if you want me to make a video of shooting my cat in the face. Really good gun. Oh no! No! My bullet's wet though. Well, I didn't mean to do that. Well, this is a good gun. Really good. Fast cock. And you can see the NERF Sling Fire. Jams a lot. Hold on. Go all the way back. Now if you want to reload, push it all the way. That's how you cock. Really good. Bye. Well, good, very good gun. Sort of. Very good. If you have a quick hand, press reload. That is my guns today. And you can see both of them come with 2 packs of ammo. Alpha, Sling Fire. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, don't subscribe for like a week or 2. So, this is Christmas today. Everyone has probably opened up all their gifts. See you dudes tomorrow. Dun, dun, dun.